Power up your money game with new BPI Wealth Builder for as low as 1,000 pesos. Earn points when you regularly top up and grow your investment to unlock more free rewards as you level up. Make your money grow with BPI Wealth Builder. Visit wealthbuilder.bpi.com.ph.
Ang mga bangko ay may iba't ibang products and services na ina-offer. So kasama na po rito ang loans. And marami po tayong klase ng loans. Meron po tayong housing loan, auto loan, personal loan, business loan, and marami pang iba. Pero for today's topic ay magpo-focus po muna tayo sa BPI personal loan. Una sa lahat, ano yung personal loan? It is a multi-purpose cash loan with affordable payment terms and no required collateral documents. So, since multi-purpose nga siya, kahit anong purpose pa yan ng pag-a-apply nyo, ay pasok na pasok po kayo rito. And ang maganda pa dyan ay affordable po ang ating mga payment terms, which ranging sa 12 months to pay up to 36 months to pay. So, nasa sa inyo po kung gaano nyo po katagal gustong bayaran. And ang maganda pa rito ay no required collateral documents needed para makapag-apply po sa BPI personal loan. Ano-ano nga po ba yung mga purpose na kailangan para makapag-apply po sa BPI personal loan? So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina ay multi-purpose siya and depende po sa purpose ninyo, wala namang impact yan as long as ma-indicate lang natin or ma-document po natin yung specific purpose po ninyo doon sa ating application form. So, pwede po yung educational if ever po for educational purpose talaga siya, pambayad ng tuition, pambayad ng miscellaneous or others pa po. Pwede naman travel related. Pwede naman din pong pang-repair ng inyong mga bahay. Pwede naman din po for bills payment, for debt consolidation. So, depende po sa inyong purpose. And marami pa. Kailangan lang talagang indicate natin ito sa ating application form. How much naman po yung pwede kong mahiram if in case na ako ay mag-a-apply for BPI personal loan? Pwede tayong makahiram ng 3 times ng ating mga gross monthly income, which ranging to 20,000 up to 3 million. Meaning to say, magbe-base po sila sa ating gross monthly income, minimum ng 20,000 up to 3 million ang ating capacity na makahiram sa bangko for this type of loan. Pero magbe-base pa rin po si bangko dun sa mga proof of income po na nare-receive natin. And of course, hindi lang naman po doon nagbe-base si bangko sa mga proof of income natin. Meron syempre mga background checks pa po yan if ever na meron pa po tayong mga other loans sa iba't ibang financial institutions. So magbe-base sila if kaya pa po ng capacity to pay po ninyo yung i-avail po nating personal loan. Gaano naman po katagal yung processing ng ating personal loan? Ating process ay will take 5 to 7 banking days after po ma-receive yung ating mga loan applications and requirements. So, syempre, meron din pong turnaround time para ma-receive ang ating mga applications since, syempre, marami pong nag-a-apply. And don't you worry guys kasi nagbibigay naman po sila ng acknowledgement receipt once po na ma-receive po nila yung ating mga application forms and requirements. If in case po na tayo ay ma-approve for personal loan, yung mga signing documents po na ating kailangang pirmahan for this specific loan ay madi-deliver po doon sa mga nominated branch na gusto natin. Pwedeng doon sa branch kung saan tayo nag-apply or pwede naman po doon sa branch na mas malapit po sa atin. So, ino-nominate nyo naman yan once na ma-approve po kayo and may tatawag po sa inyo for confirmation. And pag tayo ay na-approve, yung proceeds po ng ating loan ay makikredit po doon sa ating mga deposit account. And 1 to 2 banking days po magre-reflect yung ating mga proceeds doon sa ating mga account after mag-sign ng ating mga loan documents.
Okay, let's get down to business. Huwag na nating patagalin to kasi mamamalengke pa ako. O, di ba? Nanay na nanay. Okay, so proceed na tayo. Okay, so the truth is, wala namang masama sa mga BPI credit cards. It's just that hindi ko siya minamention kasi parang wala pang nag-request intensely, extremely. Okay. Okay, so today we're going to have a review of the BPI Gold Mastercard na request ni Rene. Okay, so are you ready? If you are interested with this credit card, why don't you give a time and watch this video? Malay mo, ito na yung credit card na hinahanap mo. Okay? As I recall, parang may mga sinagot naman ako na queries tungkol sa BPI annual fee, yung mga ganyan, yung mga problema nila sa kanilang mga credit cards na BPI. If I have to recall it, wala pa talaga akong re-review na credit card. Yung talagang credit card talaga ni BPI. And alam nyo ba na si BPI meron siyang 10 credit cards. Okay, hindi ko ma-memorize lahat yan, pero meron silang Visa, meron silang Rewards credit card, meron silang Petron, and ito nga yung Gold Mastercard ni BPI, and so on and so forth. So they have more or less 10 credit cards. Pero ngayon, ang ating i-review ay ang BPI Gold Mastercard as it has been requested. So first of all, ipakita naman natin kung ano ang itsura or look ni BPI Gold Mastercard. So, ito siya. Yan. So, gold na gold. Golden yellow actually. Yan ang BPI Gold Mastercard. Okay. So, ang BPI Gold Mastercard is identified as a premium credit card for a premium lifestyle. So, kapag meron kang Gold Mastercard, you are identified to have a premium lifestyle. Yun ang description ni BPI sa kanilang BPI Gold Mastercard. But wait, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin talaga ni BPI doon sa pagsabi niya ng premium lifestyle? Okay? Kasi if we say premium lifestyle, kumbaga kung sa mga estudyante or mga family na elite send their children to an elite school, luxurious goods, apparels, and services, premium property. So that is how we understand when we say premium lifestyle. Pero yun din ba ang ibig sabihin ni BPI doon sa pagbanggit niya ng premium lifestyle? Pero wait, hindi pala yon ang ibig sabihin ni BPI doon sa pagbanggit niya ng premium lifestyle. Kasi kaya pala sinabi ni BPI na premium lifestyle because we will be enjoying discounts, freebies, installment options, and earn rewards and points in every purchase all year round. So yun pala ang ibig sabihin ni BPI. We will be treated like an elite individual doon sa mga benefits na kinakater sa atin or ikakater sa atin ng kanilang mga credit cards. So yun pala yun. Okay. So let us roam around the wall of benefits ni BPI. Okay, ano ba ang ma-enjoy natin? Ano ba yung benefits or features ng BPI Gold Mastercard? So let us start with the cash advance. Very familiar sa atin ang cash advance. Ito kasi yung instant cash. Magwi-withdraw ka lang sa ATM, ayan na yan. Kasi kapag installment or cash installment, you have to go or undergo a process. Kailangan ina-apply yan kay customer service representative. Pero, syempre, mas maliit or minimal lamang ang kanyang interest. Pero iba pa rin talaga kasi ang cash advance. Kasi, punta ka lang ng ATM, pindot-pindot with the PIN, and then pindot-pindot kung magkano yung amount na i-withdraw mo for the cash advance, and then, yun, nandiyan na. So, ano ang meron doon sa BPI cash advance? Ang meron dito is 70. Alam mo yun? 70% ang pwede mong i-cash advance with the BPI Gold Mastercard. Kaya, kapag emergency need talaga, todo bigay si BPI kasi 70% of your credit limit ang pwede mong i-withdraw as cash advance. So, yun ang maganda naman dito kay BPI. Pangmalakihang cash advance talaga. Yung talagang todong emergency, maaasahan mo. So, that is very, very good idea about this credit card from the BPI. Eto naman, punta naman tayo sa installment option. Sa installment option ni BPI Gold Mastercard. Alam nyo ba kung anong meron dito sa BPI Gold Mastercard installment option? Meron silang 0% interest that you can pay in 36 months. Okay, so bigyan lang natin ng emphasis ha. They have the installment program called Buy Now, Pay Later with 0% interest and an option to pay that in 36 months. Ulitin ko lang ha, 36 months, 0% interest. Oh, grabe naman talaga si BPI. Yun na lang masasabi ko. Ang bait naman ni BPI. Alam na alam niya talaga yung, alam mo yun, pangangailangan natin, di ba? So, at least they can serve at their most naman sa ating mga clients nila. Okay, ito pa yung isa. When you travel, you can enjoy free insurance up to 10 million pesos when you book your flight with the BPI Gold Mastercard. So, tungkol dito, medyo mahaba-haba ang usapan ang 10 million na insurance. Pero kung gusto nyong malaman ng tungkol dyan, we will have another review for that. But for the meantime, tutukan muna natin tong BPI Gold Mastercard. Okay, so let us stretch some more reasons to love this credit card. When you use your BPI Gold Mastercard, you will enjoy a nabubulol ako. You will be enjoying a year-round freebies and discounts in your favorite store, restaurants. So, kumbaga, pagkakain ka, may discount siya, special freebie. So, yun mga magaganda, di ba? Parang at least nakaka-uplift naman ng spirit when you go somewhere and then you enjoy a dinner with friends and maybe your family. And then, kapag magbabayad ka na, merong special freebie or special discount. So, di ba, nakaka-uplift naman talaga ng spirit yung mga ganon, right? At eto pa, eto yata yung lowest spend para mag-earn ng points. Kasi in every 35 pesos, you have a 1 point. Kapag dumami yan, naipon yan, di ba, pwede mo na siyang gamitin as vouchers, shopping credits, airline miles, and many more. So, yun naman ang maganda doon sa points ni BPI Gold Mastercard. And last but not the least, not to forget, like any other credit cards, ang BPI Gold Mastercard can also be used internationally. Okay, so kapag gagamitin mo, pagpunta mo ng abroad, punta ka ng Singapore, Hong Kong, US, they recognize and acknowledge our BPI Gold Mastercard, and we will be enjoying a lowest forex conversion of 1.85%. So, ang baba na nun, diba? So, ano pa bang hahanapin natin dito sa BPI Gold Mastercard? Okay, so if you are interested, ano ba yung mga dapat nating i-prepare sa pag-a-apply natin dito sa BPI Gold Mastercard? Of course, ang kailangan is proof of identification. Lahat ng government-issued ID ay pwede. Okay, GSIS, SSS, driver's license, yun ang mga IDs na ina-acknowledge ng BPI kapag tayo ay mag-a-apply ng kanilang credit card, specifically the Gold Mastercard. And another one is proof of income. Pwedeng payslip or a copy of your credit card statement, pwedeng ITR, and many more. So, if you are really interested, you can call the hotline of BPI para fully ma-assist ka ni Customer Service Representative. Eto na, punta tayo sa panghuli. Magkano ang annual fee ni BPI Gold Mastercard? Ang annual fee ni BPI Gold Mastercard is free for the first year. But on the second year onwards, magbabayad na tayo ng annual fee na 2,250 pesos. may mga option naman tayo na magpa-waive ng annual fee. But then again, kailangan nating i-prove kay bangko na tayo ay consistent sa pagbabayad ng ating credit card bills at tayo ay may magandang credit standing para mag-grant yung ating request na ipa-waive ang ating succeeding annual fees. Okay, so there you go. Sana yung ating subscriber na si Rene Boyles, na-enjoy niya ang ating review for today. So I may not be perfect or excellent in doing so, but if you have other queries, Rene, you can get in touch with me or you can drop your comment under this video para mabasa ko, and kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong malaman, I will be there to answer you. So muli, maraming salamat po, at sana sa lahat ng mga nanood ng video na to, nakapag-enjoy kayo, at least meron kayong info na nakuha in this video na pwede nating baunin doon sa pagsusearch natin kung ano ba yung credit card na gusto natin. At para doon sa mga newbie naman, at least may idea na kayo kung anong credit card ang karapat-dapat sa inyo. Sa mga newbies na wala pang consistent na trabaho or wala pang permanent na trabaho, mas maganda yung mga credit cards na walang annual fee. For life, para at least wala kang iisipin. Ngayon, kapag medyo maluwag-luwag ka na ng konti, kaya mo na magbayad ng annual fee na waivable naman, okay? So, you can also have those credit cards na premium or mid-range na may annual fee binabayaran, pero sabi ng mga bangko, greater daw ang mga services nila. So, it's easier to earn points and rewards and perks doon sa mga credit cards na may annual fee. This is how the bank describes their credit card annual fees. Okay? Do you agree or not? Nasa inyo na yan. Kung gusto nyo pa rin ang no annual fee, no late payment fee, no cash advance fee, nasa ano yan, nasa credit card na katulad ni PNB Zelle Mastercard na pinagyayabang ko talaga. Kasi yun yung parang credit card na pangmasa, at hindi lang pangmasa, kahit sino pwede magkaroon ng credit card katulad ng PNB Zelle Mastercard. Though, wala kang ma-earn na points and rewards dito. Kasi syempre, todo-todo na lahat ng mga free annual fee, no annual fee, no cash advance fee, no late nabubulo na naman ako. No late payment fee. Ayon, nabigkas ko rin ng tama. So, di ba? Pero of course, maganda rin naman ang BPI Gold Mastercard kung yun ang napupusuan natin. Di ba? So, thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat. Gutom na po ako. Kaya ako nabubulol. So, I just came from the church at hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Rinash ko talaga ang video na to para sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Sana makapag-subscribe yung mga dumadaan lang sa channel natin. And after subscribing, please don't forget to tap the notification bell down there so that you will always be notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Maraming salamat, and as what I always say, remember, kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!